Do you have limited space but still like fresh veggies? The City Jungle by BioGreen is your answer. The basic model is great for herb and lower height veggies. The optional trellis is designed to provide heavy-duty plant support if you need it, for example, for large tomato plants. But you can grow pretty much any vegetable here. It's designed to sit on your patio, deck, or any sunny area and is self-contained. With a generous 9 gallons of soil capacity, you can grow a combination of vegetables, herbs, and plants in the spacious 2 square feet of space. Very easy to put together, and the trellis for climbing plants can be assembled as your plants grow. Watering is a breeze with both front and back doors. The reservoir holds 4.5 gallons of water and comes with a water level indicator. Watering from below encourages deep root growth. So if you like fresh veggies, get the City Jungle by BioGreen today and enjoy for years to come.